Welcome to V's DIY Homemaking and Creating. How are you today? I hope everything is well. Everything is going good for everybody. But I finished up some work around the garden. I just want to show, kind of put in some mulch and some new solar lights. Trying to create something, to make you feel, worth something. It's what it's all about. Just create an environment that helps with making you feel better about yourself and better about the world. Even though right now sometimes it's kind of in the balance. We don't understand a lot of things that's going on, but meanwhile at home you just try to create something nice. Make the environment pleasant. Create a home, somewhere you can come home to after a rough day. You know, and as you can see, the roses are still going strong. They put out a lot of roses already, but I don't think it's not over. I'm sure there's new buds coming in. But a lot of my gladiolas, I think they ran their course as well. Still got some. So guys, this is how it looks at night. The yard. So we put all the lights in around the trees, just so you can see where you're walking in the night. Got everything all mulched out, and that tree over there. Welcome. It really does help with when you're out at night and watering or whatever. It helps with being able to see, but it does give it a kind of a nice warm feeling. Yeah, but that's how it looks out here in front with the lights, the new solar lights. I really think these are really neat, the solar lights, because they just run by solar power. It's not like it's electric or anything, so that's really good.